Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you this cool look using the Colourpop Take Me Home palette and Smolders Cosmetics. So we're going to start with the Colourpop Take Me Home palette, and I'm going to use this color right here and blend that on my brow bone. Then I'm going to go in with this reddish brown color right here and blend that slightly under the brow bone. Then I'm going to go in with the Smolders Cosmetics Loose Pigment. This is the color Burnt Copper, and I'm going to blend that into the crease and onto the outer corner of the lid. For a little bit more depth, I'm going to go back into the Take Me Home palette and use this dark brown right here onto the outer corner of the lid. Then I'm going to go back in with a Smolder Loose Pigment. This is in Pink Gold. It's one of my favorite colors that they have. And I'm just going to add a little bit of their Smolder Potion to make it wet and make it have a more rich color. Then cut out your crease, making sure to blend well on the edges. Then dab the liquid pink gold on top of where we cut the crease. And blend that outer corner in with the pink gold. Then I took this dark brown right here and blended it on my bottom lash line. Then for a little pop of color, I went back in with that burnt copper color and I popped that in the corner of my eye. For liner, I'm going to use the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner and just line my lash line to get it ready for fake lashes. And for lashes, I'm using Lilly lashes in the style Paris. On to lips, I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Lipstick in the color Poet. And that's it guys, here's the finished look. If you like my channel and you want to see more, please subscribe. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram.